Hi, everybody. Welcome to our 2025 Advent celebration. We are so excited to be here. Every day we're going to post out a new video to watch. But if you want to craft along with the exact templates and digital papers that are featured in our crafts for the next 24 days, you can grab our Advent celebration pack. You can find the link in the description below. All right, so let's get on to crafting.
Today we're going to be making a Santa hat. Now what you see on the screen here is a cone outline that you can use for this. I'm going to use a different method, but if you want to just cut it and glue that together and get your cone, that is one way to do it. We have 2 pair of sunglasses, which you're going to be able to use for your project as well. We are going to be decorating the Santa hat, and we're going to have a lot of fun with it. So let's go over to the demo table and let's just take a look at all the pieces and parts we have here. I found these cones, dollar store. You could probably get them at Michael's, but it's just a cone. You could use anything you want. You can create your own cone if you want to do so. They're just good to have when you go to glue things together. So I want to just show you a couple of things. This is the one Santa hat that uses that template that you saw. And we glued some fur inside and outside. We added the sunglasses and of course the mustache. And that's just using the pattern we had inside of Design Space. You have the SVG for that. That is one method. The next method, which we're going to be using today, is using the cone again, but taking 2 pieces of the digital paper and wrapping them beautifully, adding the sunglasses a little bit to the top, our mustache and our beard at the bottom. And this is all glued to the cone, so it's a little more difficult to take apart. You can add other decorations to it, but as you can see, it's a cute little hat. It follows the pattern, and this is the one we're going to be making today, even though you can use the pattern and do the other one as suggested right from Design Space. So let me just move this aside. I'm going to move my cone over here. We're also going to need some glue, and of course you want some macrame string. And I have used this gray color. I've got it all patched out, so I'm just making a mustache. All I did was cut, I think, 3, 6, 8 pieces, one length, and I took another piece and just tied it around the center. We will be taking this apart to make an appropriate mustache. As you can see, these are pretty strung, well strung together. You can take a comb and comb through these, and it's just to make it more beard-like when you're working with it. All right, so let's get this part. I will finish this off a little later, but there's just getting the comb through those, making it a nice beard. You can change it any time that you want. All right, let's put that aside. The sunglass pair I chose, I cut it out of the black digital paper that was provided. You can see it's just plain on the other side. And those are the sunglasses we are going to be using. I have a small piece of fur trim on this one. You could use a bigger fur trim. For example, I also purchased this at the dollar store. Because we don't have the hat to roll it in, I decided I would cut a smaller piece of this fur trim. You can actually get these at the dollar store as just different things for decorating. And just put that aside. I also have a lot of different things inside my little kit here that I use for Christmas, and I'm going to decide on, what do I want for the top. Maybe we'll use a green one. I don't think red. I'll take both a green and a white out of there. We don't actually need anything else out of here. So I'm just going to close that. So we are pretty well ready to go. We are going to be using 2 pieces of the red paper here. And I'm going to be using my cone. Now you can do this any which way you want. But all I did was just bring it up to the top, just a little more than the top here. You can see, just a little bit folded over. and I'm going to turn it sideways. I'm just going to bring it up sideways and just hold it over. And then all I did here was roll it. If I can get it to roll properly the way I want. You're just rolling the cone around. It doesn't have to be tight, so that you come up with this nice cone shape. Now, like I said, it doesn't need to be tight, but I will glue the edge in. Let me move the extra piece out of the way here. I'll put a fair amount of glue because I don't want it to come apart on me. Get that little tag out of the way. All right, so I'm just going to roll it back. We have it started here. And then just roll it over top. I'm just going to hold it in place for a little bit. I don't want it to loosen up on me. Just maybe add a little extra glue at the end. Just turn this around, maybe add a little more at the top here. There we go. So we could actually use this as a Santa hat all by itself and just trim it up. It's a lot easier to do that. But if you wanted it a little longer, you'll notice that we've got these darker colors, and you probably want to match this up. So you match your line up here and just go around. Sorry, I've got too many things on here, but you're not going to be able to get the full round by doing this. But what I do is I'll just slide this up. So I've almost got it to the bottom. And get it, try to get it so it fits in with the angle. It looks about right. The angle, let's see if I can hold on to it. I'm just going to bring this down and across, and as you can see, we can get it right through except for down here, but I wouldn't worry about down here because we're going to be adding this to the bottom. All right, so let's get some glue going here. Sure, I'll just add the glue here. So I don't want the top part to meet right now. And I want to get that angle. Keep it the same. Try to match it up. I'm slightly off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little glue to here, because I don't want this sliding around where I don't want it to be. There we go. All right, we're going to bring this around. A little tighter than this. As I said, you're going to have some gaps, but we'll find a way to get those all closed up. It is moving around on me, so let me just push this down a bit. I might have to bring it down just a bit so I get more in here. My problem is I don't wait for the glue to dry and then I get into trouble. Okay, I'm just going to wait a second or two here because I want the glue to dry enough that it's not going to come off on me. I'm going to get it to be able to come to this portion, but we do have extras down at the bottom. And this is an easy way to do it without a template. Let's just get it straight. There we go. Now we have all of this extra. So what I am going to do is cut it as close to the bottom of the foam as possible. There we go. Because there is an easy way, of course, to add the extra piece that we need inside here. And I'm going to cut the extra little piece off here. I think that's going to stick. Yes. Now we've got the stripes on this side. I'll just fit this in. I'll be able to slide it up in there. Up a little more. Get it in there. There we go. Now I can glue these two end pieces together. I know it looks kind of weird to start, but these are so funky and so fun. And then I will take a final cut across the bottom. Get rid of our scraps. Okay, I'm going to add some extra glue on the pieces that are exposed here because we don't want anything ripping. All right, we have a nice looking Santa hat here. Now I know it has a lot of bits and pieces at the back, but we can decorate that back if we want to. But we're going to be using the front part of this now. Isn't that a gorgeous hat? Now, one of the things you want to do is add some fur across the bottom. But as you know, the bottom and the top are not going to be the same, so I've added a couple of little slits here in order for us to make sure the top will go around as well. So I am going to glue this just to the bottom, and what I want to try and do is get the folding part at the back so we're not interfering with the design. I'm just going to glue this. This is going to be another one of these things where you have to be patient and let it dry into place. Go. And it's only the bottom part we're gluing right now. Okay, just going to hold those into place. Now, as you can see, we do have these gaps. So what I want to do is add glue on one of the little areas here. Just going to push the one piece in. Just let the other ones go out. I have to wait for it to dry a little bit. And then I'm going to glue the next piece, which is this one, if you can see this okay. I'm just going to add this here. I'm just going to overlap it a little bit. You won't see the overlap because of the fuzz that's on there. And the same thing here, we have a little bit of overlap. Just going to add some glue. Allow it to overlap a bit. And come to the next one, which is right here. Allow it to overlap. We're getting there. And to overlap. And finally on the side here. I cut mine a bit short, but that's okay. We will fix that up. So now we are almost done with our Santa hat. We have, of course, our sunglasses, which we can bring down into any spot. So all we're going to do here is just add the glue in the bridge here and then make a decision. My cone wants to come out as to where it will go. Let's just put it right here, see if I can get it straight. There we go. And of course, the last couple of things here, as I mentioned before, you probably want to take these apart so it looks more like a mustache. You can take a comb through it. You can just simply do what I'm doing here and just pull it apart. Now we did put a knot around the middle of this, and that is so it'll be easier to do the gluing. I'm going to glue this knot right here. I'm going to put a big blob of glue. Using a glue gun is probably easier. Let's put that mustache right about there. Let's put the mustache right about here. Let that dry. And the last thing we want to do, of course, is add our pom-pom. Now, I'm going to make a decision here. Do I want a green one or I want a white one? I think I might go green this time. Now, in order to do that, you notice you have a little hole here. I'm going to pinch this and just bend it over slightly because I want the pom-pom to go on the top here. So now here's where we're going to add a big blob of glue. And I am pretty happy with that. And then we'll find a flat piece here. And if you want to, you can bend this whole thing over like it's part of the hat. There we go. Now here we have is our Santa hat. Hope you have a lot of fun with this, and I'll see you in the next project.